Hello everybody, my name is Animish Patnaik. I am presenting you today about how to create an infographic using Google Docs. We're going to sort of assume as a precursor here that you do in fact already have Google Drive installed, or at least you have the account, and we'll go ahead and dive right in. So you'll notice this isn't the standard back color. It's got gray as the color, and I chose this to really contrast the colors here, to allow the white to pop out. And the white fits really well with the Facebook logo here. You'll see that's our central point here. That's where I want your eyes going straight to at the very beginning, right to the Facebook logo here, and then out and around. And we'll explain exactly why we chose the shapes we did. But that's sort of the focal point. So if you're new to Google Docs and you're unaware of how to change this back color, you'll go to File here. You'll go to Page Setup. And in page setup, you'll see here we have file color normally, or page color rather, I apologize. Normally it's set to white. We'll set it to that sort of dark gray is what we'll do. It's a real nice dark gray there. And then, so you're probably wondering, wow, how did you get those shapes there? If you haven't used Google Docs a lot, that's a completely normal question to ask. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and double click this, and it'll show you, it takes us to what's called this drawing canvas. So we'll go ahead and save and close out real quick. If you've never used it before, what you'll do is you'll go to Insert, and then, well, if a drawing wasn't already selected, you'll see Drawing right there. You'll click on that, and it'll bring you up the same drawing canvas here. It'll start blank. Obviously, I've done some work here already. You're probably wondering, where did those letters go? Because they're in white, they don't show up very well on this backsplash, but that's number of Facebook users per year right there. You see 2006 right there, 2007. Again, that is to contrast with the backsplash. So let's sort of dive into some of the design decisions that we made. So you see that we used a circle. Could have used a square, could have used a triangle, could have used a number of different shapes. There's a reason, though, that I did pick the circle. It's not just like I flipped a coin and I was like, all right, using circles today. So the reason we're using a circle is we're measuring something in number of years. It's in the title, per year. So the nice thing about something like year is it's a unit of time. And the nice thing about time is we've all seen an analog clock at some point or another. And we've seen the way it's a circular shape. And it actually works really nice. It allows us to chronologically process things. So, we start here, let's move that back. We start here at 2006, and it lets us know, hey, there were 12 million new users in 2006. Following along now, we can go straight to 2007 and go, okay, cool, 58 million new users, all the way up until we come to what is 2013 here, and we see, wow, there were 1,200 plus new users that year. You'll notice that that there's a number of different things going on with the actual text here. First of all, we chose a font. It's Economica. It's sort of technological looking to me, which I felt fit Facebook really well. Additionally, you'll notice that that the numbers significantly get larger as we go. So by the time I reached 2013, where we had over 1,200 new users per that year, the million actually had to go on the next line because it wouldn't have fit well on the same line. And so you'll notice that that's done through all of them, and that's purely for symmetry. With 12 million and 58 million and even 145 million, really, we could have fit them all on the same line there, but for that reason, to create this symmetry, we choose not to. We push the million down to the next line so that it looks symmetric all the way through. You'll also notice that there's about similar spacing from this central line right here between 12 million and 1,230 million. And that's, again, for symmetry. This sort of white circle right here may look somewhat unnecessary, but really the point of it is to make sure that you're not focusing too much on this blue area here. It has no real purpose, but again, because we're using a circle, it's sort of got to be there. But so that white line sort of separates the data from the image. And again, I want your attention drawn to the Facebook logo at the beginning, so you know, hey, we're dealing with Facebook, and then you sort of branch out and go around. And I hope that sort of helps you understand the design choices that I made here. And again, it looks real nice. I think it looks really clean. There's my name right there under my infographic to identify who I am, and like I said, the data is from Facebook Newsroom, so I'd like to think it's fairly reliable. And here's the source for the image that I used for the Facebook logo. I hope that has helped a lot. If you have any more questions, feel free to personal message me, and I'd be glad to answer any of them. Have a great day.